Hey, thanks for stopping by. Can you guys say thanks for stopping by?
Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for stopping by.
Okay, we're going to call this the dining room update. So what we've got going on today is finally we've reached the point where we were able to upgrade our dining room chairs. So previously we've been using these folding chairs, which have worked fine. They're fine, totally fine. But finally we have the actual chairs that we're going to stay with for the foreseeable future. So we had considered some wood options and finally settled on these guys. So we're going to show you the quick assembly process, which is so easy. Oli and Maple can do this hard job. There you go, Oli. Here's your tool you need. So you only need this one tool, and then you start by taking out those screws around the edge of the chair. The assembly on these things is very easy because you have the top part of the chair and the bottom part of the chair, and that's it. And they ship these bolts. They're an Allen bolt. They ship them attached in the chair, and you just have to spin them out.
Is this the right way?
Yep, keep going until it comes out, but then don't lose it. Now these taller chairs here, they're actually bar stools, and these are going to go over here next to the Peninsula. What we actually discovered is that they are actually almost the right height to work as a toddler chair. They're a little bit tall, but I think they're going to work all right. They give about 3 inches of space underneath that bottom rail of the table. And these particular chairs are Polly and Bark is the company, and the bar stools themselves were Christie's Home Living. I think that's right. Either way, though, I will link to them in the description below, the exact same chairs that we purchased. So you can take a look at those there. And these holes are really fun to play with there. Are they teasing you, Havila? Alright. So now, once you get those bolts out, which was really easy for me because I didn't have to do it, then you take the back of the chair. Here, can you guys hold those? Oh no, okay, Sharon, give me one. Give one to me. Alright. So then you go ahead and take your Allen bolts and line up the first hole.
I have one.
Okay, you guys, we're going to be needing them in a second, so don't lose them. Okay. Can I have one, please, Maple? Thank you. Alright, now we're going to put in this one on the other side, right here. And we're just starting these by hand at first. You do not want to tighten them down until... Hey, you guys, I could use some help over here. Okay, alright, hey. Come put them in the back. I need those bolts right here on the back side.
I'll do that.
Yep. Give one to Maple. Alright. So right here on the back, we got 2 more to put in. Get them started with your finger.
Right way.
Yep. Here, let me get started for you, Maple.
I need to use a tool.
No, you don't need it yet. You don't need it yet. Start with your fingers. Okay, Maple, can you turn it some more?
Is this the right way?
Alright, you can go get the tool now. Ollie, it's over there on the table.
It's going this way. That's the hardest.
So you get them all started before you tighten any of them down fully.
It's hard.
Okay. So we're going to proceed to tighten these down.
Hard. Now it's hard. One of these.
Okay, there's one in that bag over there.
One on this side.
This makes a great family activity, as you can see.
Me.
Okay, go ahead. I really appreciate that they send this tool with. It just makes the process pretty simple, just being able to put everything together with one little tool and not having to get a bunch of tools is pretty terrific. So that's pretty much the assembly process. It's the same for these here bar stools. And the quality seems better than expected, I would say. I had around 200 pounds, and I can stand on the top of these, and there's not much shifting or deflection at all. So I'm pretty impressed, and the same thing goes for the chairs. They're just really good quality for the money. The chairs were around $25 to $30 a piece, and these bar stools were a little bit more. I think they were closer to $35 a piece, but really reasonable for what you're getting. And with metal chairs, you're never going to have a problem with them really coming loose. Potentially, you might have to tighten those Allen bolts up again in the future, but overall, really solid product, and we really like the look with our distressed table here. So I just finished redoing this table here a week or so ago, and it turned out pretty decent. Hit that thumbs up button if you want to learn more about how I made this pattern on it. You can kind of see. Anyway, it's going to be nice to get rid of the old stuff here and just have something that's kind of fresh. And you know, they kind of look old already anyway, but they are pretty, I think they'll fit well with what we have going on here. I guess we're going for kind of the modern farmhouse look. We do live way out in the country, and so it kind of suits the area we live. In the window here, in case you notice this, this is temporary. We do not have the trim on around the windows yet, as you can see. So I just took some old 2x4s that were laying out in the forest or the grove and cut them up, and it's our spot for starting tomatoes. So our tomatoes are beginning to grow. So we're looking forward to summer. As you can see, it's very summer looking like outside. Actually, it's technically the first day of spring? Can't remember. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you in the next video. What do you guys say? Thumbs up, see you later. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, lots of people have voices around here. If you have any other questions about stuff in the house or things that we've worked on here, just go ahead and comment down below, and we'll do our best to answer those questions in a future video. Okay, guys, say bye. Bye. Okay, all right, that's good. Stop. Shh. Okay, just wave. All right, see you guys later.